What's up, friends? Hey, today we got another mountain bike product review video. We're checking out these cycling glasses. There's a couple of key features that make us really like these guys in particular. We're gonna show you why. Let's get into it. So let's take a closer peek at everything that comes with these glasses. Again, you can purchase these on Amazon. We'll put links on our description box below. The company name is SCVCN. Now, again, this looks like just kind of a private label company, but the quality does seem to be fairly decent. You can see the labels are on everything, including the glasses. Comes with a little soft case as well as that outer shell. You also get a cleaning cloth and then two separate lenses that pop in and out to really help give you the correct lens for your use case scenario. This is obviously a clear lens you can use for working around the house, for tools, or for us, this is gonna be for night mountain bike rides. We also have a polarized lens. This is gonna be great for those fly fishing adventures when we do a little bit of fishing after our bike rides. You can see they are, again, polarized, reduces glare. And then lastly, we have the stock lens. As you can see, it has that nice orange tint. That's definitely a more modern look to the cycling glasses that are really popular nowadays. Now, the glasses themselves are fairly lightweight. It feels like a decent plastic that has some bendability, especially around the earpieces. That's really important for us as we do take these on and off quite a bit. We don't want anything low quality that's gonna snap on us. Now, let me show you one of the key features that makes these glasses stand out, and that is the adjustable nose piece. Now, a lot of times if you're cycling and this is an unmanipulatable, meaning you can't move it at all, nose piece, it can get really uncomfortable. But check this out. These things flex back and forth to allow you to adjust for the specifics of your nose bridge. It's a really handy feature for comfort and for longevity of use. Okay, now let's take a look at the second feature, and that is the hot swappable lenses. Obviously, having three different options to choose from is great, but this is also where we run into our first negative area of these specific glasses. Popping the lens in and out is a little bit difficult. Let me go ahead and show you. Now, these flexy areas around the lens are designed for a little bit of manipulation. You can see I have to get in here and really kind of push. And again, you just have to kind of work around the edges with your fingers, slowly pushing. This is where I'm afraid with multiple hot swaps that the plastic may wear down a little bit. You also get all sorts of fingerprints all over your lenses when you're swapping them. Thus the need for this cleaning cloth. Let's go ahead and pop the other lens in. Now, popping them in, as you can see, was a little bit easier. Again, I just feel like I have to be pretty gentle and not wreck this outside plastic. But as you can see, once you have the correct pressure, they do swap fairly easily. And now we have a great pair of polarized glasses to use. Now, just so you can see the difference on what polarization in lenses can give you, check this out. This comes with a little polarized tester. I'm gonna put this up to the lens, and as you can see, we can see the fisherman inside of this picture because of the reduced glare. So again, a great little feature that these glasses offer. So the last thing we need to do is give it a fit test with our mountain bike helmet. You can see this is a Troy Lee Designs helmet. Let's go ahead and stick them on. All right, as you can see, we've got plenty of clearance. Helmet's on there, nice and secure. The glasses are not wobbling around and not uncomfortable. Again, you can manipulate that nose piece if you want them to sit a little bit lower on that bridge of your nose. As you can see, it fits pretty good. I actually really like the way the style is. It covers up my peripheral, so I'm getting a nice big goggle style lens experience with these. Now, this specific polarized lens has a really good feel. It's not putting any kind of strain on my eyes. So I think overall, we're gonna give these guys a thumbs up. Again, that lens swap process could be a little bit easier, but we can definitely say these are decent glasses, especially for the price. Remember, you can go check these out on Amazon. We'll put links in the description box below. Friends, I hope the review has helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Let us know if you end up picking these up and what you think. Take care, and we'll see you again on the next one.